Happy Mother's Day मा चाहिँ यस्तो नाम खानु चाहिँ हामी
छ हो हेल्प गरिदिनुस् होला कतैबाट
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Satya Deep Rai. Welcome to our channel called Village Camping Darjeeling. We have been running this channel since many years now, but discontinuity in between because of that. Not able to get much subscribers, viewers, because no videos, no updates. However, I'll try to continue with my videos and will try to show you many things through our vlogs. You must be, saying that we are helping children, in which we are literally working on one project called Our Kids, Our Future. So underprivileged, any children from any village or any other places, especially from the village side, we have been helping them for their education as well as health. So you can always go through our video list and have a look and check it out and provide some help.
Hello. Hi guys. Good to see you. यसो हेर्दै गरिदिनुहोस् दाको मेरो दाको भिडियोहरू होइन सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होइन राम्रो लाग्छ मेरो घरदेखिको अलिकति मुनि नै बस्नुहुन्छ हो
यसको घर यो बिल्डिङ मेरो घर यता सानो यस्तै छ है बिहा कहिले गर्दैछस्
अब छ दा अझै निकै छ
गोर्खाल्यान्ड पाएपछि चाहिँ यसले बिहा गर्छ
गरिदिनु
ल हाम्रो आमा पनि आउनुभयो
नमस्ते
So guys, today we are heading to town to have some good dinner. I'm taking my mother for dinner because today is 8th of May 2024. It's Mother's Day. Ama Divas in Nepali. So let's have some fun. आमाको मुख हेर्ने दिन सबै हेरिराख्नु We're going to do some shopping and we're going to have some good pizza and के हुन्छ भुडीमा के गर्छ सबै खाइदिनुपर्छ हैन ल यस्तै नै छ साथीभाइहरु keep watching our vlog अब एकछिन बाटोमा भेटौँ है त अब स्कुटीमा जान्छ हामी नो गाडी आज ओके And हिजोको vlogमा तपाईहरुले देख्नुभयो yesterday's vlog was all about Aruna Chettri. Again, she needs help. She's going to Vellore CMC hospital on 21st of this month, so she needs some help and support. She literally needs that, so come and help us, okay? And one thing in Darjeeling, we have a lot of problem of water. So I'll show you from where we literally fetch water after every 2 days. This is the pipeline, the government pipeline, from where the water comes in every next 2 days. And the maximum liters we get is, at one time it's 30 liters. So तँलाई के छ पानीको बारेमा भन्नु
हाम्रो गाउँमा चाहिँ पानीको निकै धेरै स्केर्सिटी छ हो अनि पानीको दुःख छ अलिक टाढो जानुपर्छ ल्याउनु हो किनेर चलाउनु पर्छ हो त्यही भन्छु हो अलिकति दुःख छ हो हेल्प गरिदिनुस् होला कतैबाट
तल चाहिँ पानी ल्याइदिनु अब
हैन हो अलिकति लामो टाइमसम्म छोड्दिने हैन
है
त्यही भन्छु हो
दार्जिलिङ म्युनिसिपालिटीलाई गुहार छ हाम्रो है हेलमेट त्यो नबोको मेरो
नलै जान्छु त चल माथि
मेरोमा छ नि दुईटा सानो लगा नि हैन ल आनन्द
हुन्छ दा
See you soon.
बाइ बाइ
ओके बाइ
हुन्छ
ल लेट्स गो यस्तै छ यो बाटोको यो हाम्रो यहाँदेखिको लिएर यता तलसम्म घरै घर हो हाम्रो जोइन्ट फ्यामिली गाइस 13 years old the scooter still doing a great job. So hello guys, we are at Chaurasta. You all can see a lot of tourists are in right now. lot of tourists from maybe Calcutta. Okay, भन्दा आज मदर्स डेको बारेमा मम्मीलाई भनिदिनुहोस्
ए दा मलाई मदर्स डे थाहा थिएन तर वर्षमा पुरा हुँदैछ मदर्स डे
के भएको राम्रो भन्दैन एकपल्ट
हजुर अब के भन्नु अब मदर्स डे मनाउनु पर्छ आमाहरूलाई एक दिनमा विश गर्यो भने
एभ्री डे इज मदर्स डे भन्छ हैन
मदर्स डे भन्छ तर देखाएर मात्रै हुँदैन गरेर पनि गर्नुपर्छ
मैले कतिको गरिदिन्छु भनिदिइहाल भ्युअर्सहरूलाई
भन्नु हुँदैन गरेर देखाउनुपर्छ त्यो चाहिँ भनेर चाहिँ हुँदैन
यो चाहिँ हाम्रो दार्जिलिङको पासपोर्ट So first we are heading to a shoe shop so that we can buy a shoe for our mother. So we are here buying shoes for mom. The thing is, you know, we need the smallest in adult. Number 2. That's her shoe size. So it's like $1 million question to find a shoe of her size. यति धेरै सुजमा hard to find.
अब लाउनेलाई सोर्नु पर्यो नि त भैया
After searching all these shoe shops, we're not able to find anything of her size. So this is one of the mall, the one and only mall which we have here in Darjeeling. This is called Big Bazaar. We're here for pizza now. Let's have some pizza. Woo, this is Domino's. So guys, our pizza and tacos are in. This is chicken golden head pizza. This is non-veg tacos.
Hi, happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, banana. So pizza खाएर कस्तो भयो आमा?
पिज्जा खाएर चाहिँ सन्तुष्ट भयो
के को पिज्जा यस्तो?
यसमा सब मकै रहेछ कुनै के के रहेछ
न्युटेला
न्युटेला चाखेर भन्छ
म त चिकनको पिज्जा पनि लगेको न्युटेला पिज्जा आएछ निको खाइस् अब भात खान सक्छस् फेरि
सक्छु नि
यो अन्त दिस इज द स्पिरिट नो यु क्यान इट राइस डिनर लु उयो खा टाकोस खा इफ यु कम हियर wear summer clothes because it's literally very very hot inside. I feel as if I'm in Siliguri right now. Outside Darjeeling the weather is really pleasant. Domino's inside, oh my god, it's hot. What is garam cha bhandihaal?
It's pretty hot.
Guys, this is the pizza and
त्यो बिस्तारै खानुपर्छ नि बिस्तारै एक्स्ट्रा चिज होला
please thukse ननिल्नु please thukse ननिल्नु कस्तो मिठो दामी दामी मजा आयो सो अब मसाज टाइम जिपे हुन्छ नि हुँदैन लुज राख्नु न आमा जिउ खुट्टाहरू पनि हुँदैछ खुट्टातिर सबै बिस्तारै हुन्छ यो पहिला ढाडमा हो So finally guys, we are heading for dinner where we would be giving gift to our mother as well. So hello everyone, we are here for dinner at Gleaneries. This is one of the best place where you can literally have good food, bakery, and there is buzz as well where you can enjoy the live music and literally have good fun with all your friends.
Teacher Island 560
अब डिनर सक्छु त ओके आमालाई पनि अब
डिनर थोड़ा सा
डिनर करेंगे इसमें very good ambience with a very good crowd here. You can see we are at balcony right now. This is the restaurant part. Beneath this is the bakery and below that is the buzz is bar and pub. So before we have our dinner for tonight, let's gift my mother the gift which we bought for her, Nana, especially Nana, thanks to you. So guys, this is a very small gift from us. So unboxing garnu तपाईले नै. This is a Mother's Day gift from me and Nana. Hope our mother will like it. Surke thaili khai. So that is the first piece. हाम्रो दर्शकहरुलाई पनि देखाइदिनुहोस् तपाईको मदर्स डे गिफ्ट के आएको छ.
Wow! Thank you so much, my dear children, Satyadeep and Deepshika. Wow! So beautiful. Wow! Wow!
देखाउनु न यहाँ. कान काउन लाउनु न नयाँ त्यो पुरानो खोलेर
यो सुन त झन् डर लाग्दो छ यो हराउनु
Happy Mother's Day, Anna.
Thank you so much, Deepshika and Satyadeep. Wow! अब यो पनि
Wow! उल्टा परेको उल्टा The guys in Darjeeling, you can get very good jewelries from one of the shop. The name of the shop is Balam Jewelers. If you go there, you will literally get a very genuine gold and silver products from there. It's in HD Lama Road. KCDA दिन अलिक माथि गएर बालम ज्वेलर्स एकदमै फेमस छ so you all can buy gold and silver from बालम ज्वेलर्स okay आमालाई के भन्नु चाहना
स्पेसली मेरो दुईटा नानीहरूलाई चाहिँ एकदमै मेनी थ्याङ्क्स अनि धेरै धेरै माया भन्न चाहन्छु किनभने आज मदर्स डेको दिन मलाई धेरै गिफ्टहरू दिनुभएकोमा अर्को पालि नै योभन्दा धेरै पाउँछु
यो चाहिँ अब सुर्खेत थैली चाहिँ दसैँमा
दसैँमा यो भोलि पैसा पठाइदिनु छोरी बा टिका लाउनेहरूलाई दिवालीमा फेरि भाइटिकामा खुवाउनुपर्छ थ्याङ्क यू दिचिका फाटे छुर्के थैली त
So guys, this is our food has arrived. Dinner we are having plain naan and chicken korma at Greeneries. So we literally had a great day today, and people say every day is Mother's Day. Yes, of course it is. But however, there is always one special day which we can make special for all our mothers. So even my two sister a mother, so happy Mother's Day Saika Nana, Matri Nana, Maizu, हाम्रो तारा माइजू happy Mother's Day अनि मेरो सम्पूर्ण जति पनि हुनुहुन्छ every mothers who is watching my vlog, happy Mother's Day to you as well. हाम्रो गुरुबथानको मम्मी बिना मम्मीलाई पनि happy Mother's Day अन्तखेरि मेरो बिनु आमा जो बितेर जानुभयो उहाँलाई पनि happy Mother's Day है सबैलाई सम्झेको छु है आजको दिनमा happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and especially my mother.
Happy Mother's Day मा चाहिँ यस्तो नाम खानु चाहिँ हामी
ल अब भ्लग पनि एन्ड गर्दिउँ लु निको से बाई
बाई so
Okay.
guys, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel and के भन्छ support our YouTube channel. Thank you.
ल अब चाहिँ भात खान्छु बेसी नै बोल्यो हामी बेसी नै भयो ल आमा बाई बाई
बाई गुड नाइट
ल गुड नाइट ल दिप्सी नाना लट अफ लभ फ्रम अस ग्लिनेरिजमा छौँ हामी